Hello everyone, it's Miss Diana. In this video I will be showing you guys how to make 3 different types of bird feeders. For bird feeder number 1, it's actually the easiest. You will need bird food, a toilet paper roll, twine, peanut butter, and scissors. For the first step, spread peanut butter all over the roll. You want to make sure it's completely covered. For step number 2, cover the roll in the bird food. Again, make sure it's completely covered in this food. I pressed down with the spoon to make sure it firmly stayed on. Next, grab your twine and cut it to about 2 feet long. For step number 5, insert the twine through the hole and tie it at the top. Finally, you're ready to secure it onto a tree branch. For bird feeder number 2, you're going to need bird seed, a tin can, twine and a stick, and hot glue. First, hot glue the stick to the side of the can. Next, wrap the twine around the can about 3 to 4 times. Then tie at the top. For step number 4, cut the twine about 1 foot long. Then repeat steps 2 to 4 at the top of the can. This is to make sure it is secure. For the final step, add some bird food and tie it to a branch. For bird feeder number 3, you're going to need bird food, glue, twine, and craft sticks. For the first step, place 2 craft sticks parallel to each other. Then put glue at the top of the craft sticks and start placing more at the top. Make sure it's horizontal. As you wait for the base to dry, on the side you can continue this pattern. You can make it up to any height that you want, but I chose to go with this height. Now I just wait for the glue to dry. For step number 3, tie the twine to a side. Then cut the twine to about 1 foot long. Repeat the last 2 steps onto the other 3 sides. Then fill it with bird food and you're able to hang it outside. So that's how you make 3 different types of bird feeders. Thank you so much for watching.